Dear students, good morning. I welcome all of you once again in this third video. We are discussing Unit 2.4 An Epitome of Courage. Before this, we have discussed two passages of this unit, and today in this video, we are going to discuss the third passage of this lesson. Okay, in second video, we discussed or we learned that how Stephen was suffering from that rare disease. He was diagnosed ALS or Lou Gehrig disease. And we also learned that he fell down without any reason twice on that day. After that, the whole body was disabled. We also discussed he got engaged with Jane Wilde, and the subject of his PhD was black holes. Then we also learnt that he studied Big Bang theory, the theory of origin of the earth, and for that he invented Lie algebra. This is a recap of what we learnt yesterday. Now let's discuss the third passage, that is the last passage. Okay, passage third. Though confined to a wheelchair with no control over his body, save a finger, and with a computer to help him express his thoughts. Now we know that the disease entered into his whole body and generally affected all the parts of the body. Only his mind was free. Only he could think, and that's why how did he expressed himself with his fingers typing on the keyboard or expressing his thoughts on computer. Only it was his routine life that he was unable to speak. He only expressed his thoughts typing on the keyboard, that expresses through the board. Dr. Hawking is an authority on profound subjects of science. We know that he made many researches on science subject, and that's why he is an authority on profound subjects of science. Numerous honorary doctorates and awards have been bestowed on him. His theory was famous worldwide. His name and fame was also there everywhere in the world, and that's why many doctorates and awards were confined upon him. Bestowed means granted as an honor. Many awards were given to him. Many doctorates of different universities were given to him. He is a fellow of the Royal Society. The Royal Society is in London. And what is Royal Society? It is the fellowship of many of the world's most eminent scientists, and is the oldest scientific academy in continuous existence. Till today it is existed, and it is the oldest science academy in the world. And he is also fellow of the Royal Society, as well as and a member of the US National Academy of Sciences. US National Academy of Sciences, it is also organization of the leading researchers in the world. Means such type of honor was given to him in spite of being considered Einstein's equal in intelligence. We know that Dr. Stephen Hawking was considered equal in intelligence to Einstein. Now tell me, who was Einstein? Einstein was also great scientist, and he was considered the most intelligent person on this earth. His IQ was higher than any other human being on this earth. When he died, his brain was also there in the laboratory to test. Okay, Let me tell that Einstein, a German born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity. His theory, relativity, is famous, and we also know world's most famous equation by Einstein, that is E is equal to mc square. Okay, and here Dr. Hawking considered equal in intelligence to Einstein, but Dr. Hawking is a very humble man, a simple down to earth man. He has authored many books dealing with his awesome ideas, keeping a layman in mind. Though he is compared in intelligence equal to Einstein, but he is a very humble man. He is a down to earth man, and he has authored many books, and with his awesome ideas, keeping a layman in mind. Layman means common man. He considered common man in all his books, and that's why his writing is full of wit and humor. His writing is full of wit and humor. His style is so lucid that non scientists can also understand him. The style of his writing is very simple one. Actually, he had authored many scientific books, but we common people, when we read his books, we can also understand what he had written in that book. Okay, that's why it is said that his style is so lucid that non scientists can also understand him. His book, a world famous book, is here. A Brief History of Time is one of the best selling books of our times. The best selling book in the world is one of the best selling books is A Brief History of Times, written by Stephen Hawking. On being asked how he feels about having the dreadful ALS, when he was asked in many interviews, what do you think about your dreaded or dreadful disease ALS? Dr. Hawking, the quintessence of opticism. Quintessence means a perfect example of opticism, state of having positive belief. He is the perfect example of positivity. He says that positivity and hope. He says that not very different from the rest. I am not different from the rest. I am living a life just like a common person. I am not living a life just like a patient. Though I am suffering from ALS, I am living and I am enjoying my life just like a common man. I try and lead as normal a life as possible. I try my best to live a normal life and not think about my condition. I am not thinking about my condition. I am only thinking on my research or regret the things it prevents me from doing, which are not many. I don't feel any sorrow. I don't feel any regret about my disease. I live a normal life just like a layman, common man, he says. Dr. Hawking firmly believes that in the next millennium is a period of 1000 years, since science will discover the core secrets of the universe. He believes that in the next 1000 years, science will reach at its height. What will science discover? The core secrets of the universe. What are the secrets of universe? How it is made, its origin, its history, universe, the history of universe, and maybe even predict its ultimate demise. And science also predict that when will this universe end, or demise means death, ultimate death of the universe. Science will discover all these things in the next 1000 years. It is the belief by Dr. Stephen Hawking. Like Dr. Hawking, there are many people who display exemplary courage in their lives. We know that just like Stephen Hawking, there are many people in our country, in our India also, in the world also. In warming up activity, we discussed some people, we discussed some disabled personalities. Okay, just like Dr. Stephen Hawking, there are many people who displayed such type of courage in their lives. Let us salute all those brave people. Let us salute all those people, including Stephen Hawking, who, in spite of being disabled, actually they were disabled people, or they are nowadays disabled people, but strive to do their best. But they tried their best for the benefit of humankind or mankind. Okay, this is all about the third passage. uh, Now let's discuss the questions given here on the third passage. Okay, read the following passage and do the activities. The passage is, though confined up to the last line, that is, do their best. A1 question, simple factual question. Guess what? First, Stephen was a fellow of this institution. Answer is given here, the Royal Society, or you can write the Royal Society London. Second, Stephen considered equal in intelligence of this personality. Name that personality. Yes, correct. Einstein is the answer. Third, best selling book by Stephen Hawking, A Brief History of Time. And last one, Stephen was a member of this well known organization. What is that organization? US National Academy of Sciences. Now, A2 question, complete the web diagram. Such type of web is given to you in your activity sheet format. What will science discover according to Stephen? And you have to write the answer in this diagram. You have to draw a diagram with a pen in your activity sheet. Okay, first is its ultimate demise. The answer, what will science discover? We discussed just now. Its ultimate demise, the core secrets of universe, its origin, and its history. This is the answer. Write in the same format. Now, a third vocabulary question, write antonyms for the following words. You have to find out the opposite word from the passage. Unequal, rude, pessimism, and birth. You have to find out antonyms only from the passage. Don't write on your own. Answer is given here. Unequal, equal, rude, humble, pessimism, optimism, birth, demise. Okay. A4, do as directed. Grammar question. 1. Dr. Hawking is a very humble man. Change into exclamatory sentence. When we change into exclamatory sentence, we know that exclamatory sentence starts either with how or what. Okay. When only adjective is there, start sentence with how, and when noun is given with the adjective, you have to start with what. Humble is adjective here, humble man. Okay, that's why what, a humble man, and subject Dr. Hawking, then verb at last. What a humble man Dr. Hawking is. Don't forget to put exclamation mark. Okay. Second, he has authored many books. Rewrite it in simple present tense. We know the formula of simple present tense. Subject, main verb first, plus o plus e. Put in that format this sentence. Subject is he. Main verb first, author. He is there, third person singular. That's why we have to add yes or es. He authors many books is the right answer. Now the last question, A5, personal response. What do you want to become in your life? Why? A simple question is given to you. Only try to remember how I have written it. The format is important. I want to become a teacher in my future life because response. As I told you in earlier videos that when you are dealing with personal response question, you have to write in three ways: a response, explanation, and conclusion. A simple, you can write your own answer here. I want to become a teacher in my future life because first, I love teaching. Second, it is the pious and best profession in all professions. Third, teaching not only helps the students but also helps the teachers to learn new things. And four, we can teach in any place and in any time. Thus, I love this profession very much. You can add this sentence to you. Okay, I have written this for you. You can also write your own answer. So, friends, in this way, we have discussed the whole lesson 2.4 an epitome of courage by giving different examples. I hope that you will read this lesson again and again. You have to also solve the English workshop in your classwork. Okay, read this lesson again and again. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.